Hello, so in this video we learn how to install the RaspiAudio Pi5 Drive Shield on a Raspberry Pi 5. For the physical hardware installation, how to connect the shield on the Raspberry Pi, it has been already covered in another video, so please check the link in the description. In this video we'll see how to install this board here on Raspbian. So assuming you already follow the video and have an NVMe drive already connected, if you type lsblk, you should see your one drive called NVMe something. Right now it's 500 gigabytes, so it means that the drive is correctly connected. Using this method, I have burned the SD card already with the last Raspberry Pi OS, and I first booted normally. So we'll open the Raspberry Pi imager. Okay, then I will choose a device. So right now it's a Raspberry Pi 5, of course. Pick up your OS. I will take the default OS, 64 bits. And then I will choose a storage. And this is where you see your NVMe drive. And I click on Next. Would you like to apply OS customization? This is stuff like Wi-Fi passwords and stuff like this. Alright. So I will pause the video because this is kind of boring. Okay, so this is done. Right. I can close this. So what we need to do now is sudo raspi config. We need to modify the boot order to start on our new drive first. So you need to go in advanced option, boot order, and then select NVMe option. So after a good 5 to 10 minutes, we are back because I had to reinstall the whole Raspberry Pi OS. But you know, you must be quite familiar to it. It's quite easy. Just to be sure it's not a trick, I remove the SD card, and now we are on the desktop running on the NVMe drive. So if we open a terminal and we do lsblk, you see now that the primary drive is NVMe. So you will notice that everything is faster. So opening a browser is faster, you know. But if you want to benchmark your new drive, paste this command. Wait to install it, and what it will do, it will install a benchmark software and automatically publish it on a website, so you could build a database of all the NVMe drives and as well as performances. So it will run a test, and at the end it will ask me the model of my hard drive. So I don't know, I think the name is King Spec. Alright, we don't care. So this read is at 433 megabytes. Alright, and it says that if I want to find my benchmark, I need to go to this address here. So if you go on this website, pbenchmarks.com, you would be able to compare different disks, looking for the best speed or the best. Also, I almost forgot something. If you do like sudo raspi config, and if you go in the advanced options, you have the PCI Express speed. And would you like the PCIe Gen 3 to be enabled? Yes. Finish. And let's try to do that test again. So we are at 443 megabits read. Let's run the test again. It was my mistake because you need to reboot after setting to Gen 3 speed. And then you could see that this non-expensive drive is so 826 megabyte per second read and 515 megabyte per second write. Alright, and the score is quite good. So you don't need to spend a lot because anyway, the Raspberry Pi will be probably the bottleneck of the speed of your NVMe drive. So I don't think it's worth to spend a lot of money on the hard drive, on the NVMe drive. Alright, talk to you next time.